Alright guys, as you see the time on the clock and also the temperature, I got it up to 73 degrees in here in the garage, guys. Hey, and welcome back, guys, and welcome back for the last two videos on this Sunoco pump that we're doing. It's a mini pump, guys. It used to be a kerosene pump. Go back and look at the other videos and you see exactly what I'm talking about. So today we'll be putting down some fresh paint, and it's gonna be a 2-day process because after we let the paint dry and cure and also put some clear on it, then we'll come back and we'll be assembling it. So this is what we're gonna be doing today, guys. I got all my parts laid out here in the garage. I already went and put some wax and grease remover on them, make sure there was no dust on them. I actually also wet down the floor. I got the garage heated up real nice and toasty. I'm up here sweating. It's raining outside, really bad weather, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, guys. I got my plastic up over there and around the garage as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get the spraying, guys. I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere safe so I won't mess up my camera, and we're gonna get right into it. The first thing I'm gonna do, I got some white mixed up because this blue and yellow, it doesn't like to cover really good. Now let's just on some white, and plus I'm gonna have a pinstripe, a white pinstripe. So let's go ahead and put some white on it first. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and make our design with my stripe here. And like I said, I'm not the best at this, but we're gonna try to do the best we can. Alright, and then we do the same thing to the other side and to this side as well. And we'll paint this yellow and we paint everything else blue. And then we take that tape off and we'll have a white stripe. So I'm going to go ahead and tape the rest of it up, and then we're going to go ahead and start spraying the yellow. Alright crew, let's going to go ahead and show you my design. It's just a shadow right there. I kept looking at it. I was like, man, what happened there? But it's just a shadow. So that's the design here. Like I said, inside the square is going to be that Sunoco yellow. Oh, focus in here. There you go. It's going to be the Sunoco yellow, and then everything else is going to be blue. And the rest of the pump will be blue as well. So I put just a little stripe. When I take that stripe off, it'll be a white stripe on it. Same thing with my bulb here. When I take that green tape off after I finish painting it, it'll be a white stripe there and a white stripe there. So let's go ahead and wet the floor down, and then we'll go ahead and start painting. Now we're gonna go ahead and start the process of taping up all of the yellow so we can start painting blue. We'll do that process of the whole tank there, and then we'll be ready to spray blue. Alright crew, we got everything taped off. I don't think I'm going to have any burn through or anything like that with the tape. So we're going to go ahead, I just went on ahead and tacked it off on my tack cloth. So now we're going to go ahead and spray the parts blue. And this will be the final step before we put clear on them. So I got the parts laid out. I got my tape line where I want my stripes, everything. We're gonna go ahead and set you guys up and get to spraying. Alright crew, so I got that first coat of blue on. I actually looked at my camera and I thought that I was recording when I first put the first coat of blue on, but I did not record it. But that's alright, we'll get the second coat on there. It laid down pretty good. It seemed like my gun, I'm not getting a lot of air pressure. It's not laying as flat as I want it, so I'm gonna adjust my gun the second go round and make sure it lays down good and flat. But it'll lay down. It's just that my air pressure wasn't up as much as I would like for it to be. So they turned out good so far. So I got one more coat, and then we're gonna put a coat of clear on there, about two or three coats of clear, and then we'll be done. Let's get everything set up for the next spray. Alright crew, so now it's time to go ahead and put some clear on it. I've been letting this paint dry for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and take off all the tape and everything. We're going to make sure we don't have any burn throughs and stuff, and after that we're going to go ahead and do some touch-ups if we have to. Hopefully we won't have to. We got the temperature up to 71, which is good for laying some clear. Hopefully we won't have any runs. Like I said, you know, we're in the garage, so let's go ahead and start taking this tape off, and let's see how our design turned out. Well, first we're going to take this one off here, see if we can see where it starts at. Now I hope all of them turn out like that. For sure. This is always the fun part, making sure everything is turned out good. Yep. That's good. Turned out really good. And now we gotta go do the big boy. Let's go over here. See if that one turned out good as well. I got a little overspray. No problem, touch that up. A little overspray right there. I tell you, that's it. All right. I think she turned out good. I'll touch up that little overspray with some yellow, and then we'll go ahead and spray the rest of it with that clear. All right, good deal. Let's get to it. All right, guys, we are done, man. I got 3 good heavy coats of clear on our little pump here, and I think they came out really good. We spent a lot of time on getting these slick, and I tell you what, I'm happy with it. Clear laid down very good, and I actually thought I was going to have some problems with the clear because I actually ran out of activator, and so I had a little bit of activator from another type of clear. And I know people say don't mix the clear with a different activator. Well, we mixed the clear with a different activator and I got the same result. The result came out fantastic. I couldn't be more pleased. So this is going to be it for today, guys, but I'm going to let this cure overnight, and tomorrow we'll be able to touch it, move it around, and then I put my vinyl Sunoco sticker on there, and then we'll assemble it with a pump. And hey, we'll be done with another project, guys. So stay tuned for tomorrow, guys. I can't wait to see how that Sunoco pump finally turns out. So hey, I'll be back first thing in the morning, guys, and we're gonna get jumping right on it. All right, crew, we just got through with the blue Sunoco gas pump. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of basically where we found this pump at, and also we took it apart and we basically did a little sandblasting and we put it back together with a good fresh paint job. So let me know what you guys think of it, and let me know also if you go and check out that video, and I got a lot more stuff on my channel just like this. Hope you enjoy it.